we would leave our kids in charge and we would go riding for 2 hours. That was kind of our outlet.
It was actually our last ride for the summer.
The light goes green for us and we're crossing, maybe going 10 miles an hour, and we look over, both of us.
We see headlights and my words were, "You've got to be kidding me."
And bam, we're flying through the air. Our whole life just changed. And we knew it was going to be a long recovery. And our kids had no clue where we were. And we didn't know what was going to happen or how injured we were. And we were just glad to be alive.
The effects of the accident lasted for, well over a year, probably more like a year and a half, before we were really back to almost what we were before the accident.
It was only a week after the accident that we were referred into Jill Coyle and Moxie Law, and knew of them, knew of their strengths. I, by profession, I'm an insurance agent, and I know the value that a good lawyer has in a personal injury case like this. And every step of the way, we would have questions. We would have, distress, anxiety from different scenarios. How is this gonna work? What's this? And I could call Moxie Law and explain that, and they could walk me through the process and help me understand so that I could have peace. We don't think we could have got that detailed and that personal care, that personal touch from one of the big law firms, because they're all about numbers. I know this from my standpoint as an insurance agent. We're a smaller, more boutique, but experienced law firm and legal attorneys that can provide that personal touch, the hands-on experience that just isn't there. And Jill nailed it. Our medical bills alone were $170,000. And then all of the losses that we had from the time away from work, the time away from family, the inability to hold our children. And Jill came through and helped us not only get our medical bills paid for, but more than double that amount that allowed us to then get compensation for the lost wages, the lost business, the lost future revenue. That without Jill, without what they did for us, we really would have been in financial ruin. This would have ruined us and set us back a decade. And because of what Jill did, we are able to move forward, find a new career, find a new path within, of course, insurance. That's my years of experience, but find and start anew, but with the resources to start a new life that without Jill wouldn't be there.